nutritional value. Nutrition score is A. So this is the picture versus reality. Picture versus reality. So that's a Nutri score is A. It means not bad. And that is the actual, and this is the picture. So it's like this is close or similar. And this is the nutritional value. Information, nutrition, energy, 153 kilocalorie. Machegra fats, 0.5 grams. Saturated fats, 0.1 gram. Carbohydrates, 8.4. Without sugar. The sugar is 3.2. Then the fiber elemental. The fiber content, 4.0 gram. Protein is 2.8. There's a salt of 2.8 grams. Proteins 2.8, and the salt is 0.59 grams. And you know that's why, guys, in every canning you cannot evade the fact that there is like that. But of course they did not add the preservatives. So that's then, guys. We know already the nutritional content, or the information nutritional, and this is the actual, and this is the picture. So not bad. Okay, so that's it, guys, for today, and have a lovely morning, everyone, and thank you for watching.